SOLIDWORKS Manage 2021 increases your design management efficiency and collaboration like never before. Managing multiple projects is common for most project managers. New for Manage 2021 is the ability to create project lists. Lists can be created to meet individual needs or defined by an admin and shared globally. Project lists provide easy visibility to powerful resource management tools like scheduling, capacity planning, and load charts, helping you make informed decisions about project start dates. Assigning tasks to users and allowing them to update their completion status and deliverables is a powerful way to keep up to date on the progression of a project. New for Manage 2021 is the Auto Update Project Service. This background service can be configured to check for task updates and automatically update the completion progress of project stages. Additionally, any attachments that have been added to the task can be automatically transferred to the deliverable section of the project. Manage 2021 also provides new ways to visualize project tasks. Out-of-the-box tasks dashboards are accessible directly from the project and provide clear visibility to project task burn down as well as status and priority. The task board can now be grouped by priority as well as status, allowing you to quickly visualize the assignment of tasks. With a simple drag and drop, tasks can be moved to in progress. And with a double click, task information can be accessed directly from the task board. Items are a powerful way to correlate design data in Manage. This item record has a reference to a number of SOLIDWORKS assemblies that need to be consolidated into a manufacturing bill of material. Modeless windows now allow you to open multiple records and work in both at the same time, facilitating the ability to copy and paste from one bill of material to another. When using the Copy From command, you can select the assembly you want to copy and now preview the components to be added, deselecting any items that are not required. From within the bill of material, familiar editing tools like Cut are now available. Cut items turn orange, indicating that they are currently undergoing a cut operation. And once the bill of material is saved, they disappear from the list as you'd expect. This assembly has a sheet metal part that will need to undergo a laser cut operation for the flat pattern, as well as a bending operation on the brake press. New for Manage 2021 is the ability to create new and new from records directly from the bill of material without having to exit the current record. Simply adjust any metadata and specify what should be carried over into the new record. To add this sheet metal component to these manufacturing operations, you can now use the new Dissolve command on its parent assembly. This command allows you to indicate which subassemblies you'd like to break down into their individual components. Once completed, you can remove the components that aren't required from the bill of material. Then, simply cut and paste the sheet metal bracket into the laser operation and the brake press operation. New for the web client in Manage 2021 is the ability to preview SOLIDWORKS CAD data utilizing Web 2 in PDM Professional. This provides the full previewing capability of e-drawings on the web to users of SOLIDWORKS Manage. Finally, when it comes to sharing data with suppliers, it couldn't be easier with the new Share command. This tool creates a unique link that can be added to an email or shared directly. You can add security precautions like passwords and link timeouts, and templates can be made available to ensure that all the reference components are packaged up for download. Suppliers can simply click on the link to download the files you've shared with them. SOLIDWORKS Manage 2021 helps you take your efficiency and collaboration to new levels. Sharing designs with outside contractors has never been easier. Powerful new bill of material editing tools allow you to structure your bill of material more quickly and accurately. And new project management capabilities allow you to visualize and plan your design tasks with ease.